Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. Tata Group has filed draft papers with the capital market regulator SEBI to launch its mega 15,000 rupee crore Tata Capital IPO. According to a money control report, N. Chandrasekharan-led conglomerate has filed its paper at SEBI to launch its most awaited upcoming IPO, which Tata Sons and IFC own. The Tata paper says that the Tata Sons and IFC would offload their shareholding in Tata Capital IPO, which would be offered for sale. Tata Sons filed the draft paper through the confidential route, engaging Kotak Mahindra Capital, Citi, JP Morgan, Axis Capital, ICICI Securities, HSBC Securities, IIFL Capital, BNP Paribas, SBI Capital and HDFC Bank. On March 9, 2025, PTI reported that Tata Capital is likely to file preliminary papers with market regulator SEBI to raise USD 2 billion through an initial public offering only after getting final approval from the NCLT for the Tata Motors Finance merger with the company. Now, in this report, PTI estimated Tata Capital's IPO size at $11 million. The National Capital Law Tribunal awaits the final order, which is expected to be closed by the end of this financial year. Tata Capital, identified by the Reserve Bank of India as an upper-layer non-banking finance company, has already received its board approval. According to a disclosure made to stock exchanges, the proposed IPO would comprise 2.3 crore equity shares through a fresh issue and an offer of sale by certain existing shareholders. Apart from the IPO, Tata Capital announced plans to raise funds through a right issue further to bolster its financial position before the public listing. If successful, this would be one of the country's financial sector's most significant initial share sales. This would also be the Tata Group's second public market debut in recent years after listing Tata Technologies in November 2023. The move is a part of a company's effort to comply with the RBI's listing requirements. As per the RBI mandate, upper-layer NBFCs are required to list on the stock exchange within 3 years of being designated as such. Tata Capital was categorized as an upper-layer NBFC in September 2022. Apart from Tata Capital, another upper-layer NBFC, HDB Financial Services, owned by HDFC Bank, is also gearing up to launch its IPO. The company filed its draft papers in October to garner 12,500 crore through the initial share sale. While law firm Cyril Amarchand Mangal Das and investment bank Kotak Mahindra Capital has been roped in the advisors to manage the company's IPO, a draft red herring prospectus with SEBI will be filed only after receiving approval of the NCLT on the proposal merger. In the Q3 earning call of Tata Motors, the automakers group CFO PB Balaji said the Tata Motors Finance creditors meeting has been completed. They say, "We're waiting on final orders by NCTL and we do expect closure for this by the end of financial year." The Competition Commission of India cleared the proposed merger in September. In June 2024, the boards of all three companies, Tata Capital, Tata Motors Finance and Tata Motors, approved a merger of Tata Motors Finance and Tata Capital through NCLT scheme of arrangement. As consideration for the merger, Tata Capital will issue its equity shares to the shareholders of Tata Motors Finance, resulting in Tata Motors effectively holding a 4.7% stake in the merged entity. As of March 31, 2024, Tata Sons owned 92.83% of the Tata Capital Limited, while other Tata Group entities and IFC held the balance stake. That was all for today. For further details on the story, download the Savera app, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.